When you have a high quality paint finish in your home or office, such as like this, did you know how long the paint should last before you repaint? A high quality finish such as this should last for at least 10 years. 10 years. But to maintain the quality of the paint and its appearance for those 10 years, regular maintenance needs to be carried out. Once a year, there should be thorough maintenance of the painting, and that is what we are going to do in this video. This is my home hacks. Just watch to the end to learn what you need to do to maintain the appearance of your paint finish in your home or office. Today, we decided to do some maintenance of paint in my house. So you could see the wall here needs some maintenance. You see the wall, as part of the wall paint peeled off. It was just a small scratch, but my son started peeling it, and he peeled it to this extent. You could see this part. So this part needs some maintenance, and we are going to demonstrate how paint maintenance is carried out. You can see this one too. We have the paint here. The color of this one is called pale beige. This one is the brilliant white. These are the colors we are going to use. We have the tools. We have some water, little water. We have paintbrush, scraper, and those are the tools that we're going to use to carry out the maintenance of the paint today. Just follow along with me. We need, first of all, a sharp knife that has a very good pointed tip, or a razor blade. What you do is to cut away all this peeling portion. Cut it away to the last. You can see here that this is peeling. It has opened up to this portion. You see the traces. So you cut it out all around like that. You can see it has peeled up to these portions. So cut it out. This is a glossy type of material. So you remove those portion cuts. Anyone that is open again, you try to eliminate it, cutting it smoothly. You can see that. Alright. Anyone that is peeling up, you cut it out. Okay, you don't allow it to continue to peel in. You open up, cut it away. Right, by using the sharp knife or razor blade. I think a razor blade will do a better job than this knife. Right. Okay. Out like this. After that, we can then go ahead and apply the paint like 2 or 3 times to achieve the work. So let's see. Paint container here, which was used before. This paint is water-based paint. Water-based paint. So you can apply. Apply it carefully, gently towards the edges. Apply quite a thick quantity of paint at the edges. Okay, so we apply it carefully at the edges, make it to be thicker. So came back to apply this paint a second time after the first has dried up. This foam and water to clean up any unwanted portion. It's a water-based paint, so it will easily be cleaned with water. Only plain water. Alright, so the last layer of paint is being applied right now, so that you can have the same color as before.